Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. So, first ingredients, this is one of the slimes. It's clear, made out of clear. This one's just made out of regular glue. So your first ingredients are a spoon and a bowl. Then gang. Then you're going to need glues. So I already put my clear glue in there, I'm sorry. And I'm just going to add a little bit of white. There we go. Then we're gonna just add our gang, and that just this, just a little bit. I kind of put too much clear, but it's okay, cause this is for my YouTube. Okay. Then you're just gonna mix. This is how it looks now. Just mix. Just mix, mix, mix. It's on the floor. In our room. Alright, it's starting to mix gently. Like that. Mix that. But then after that, let it sit for a little bit. I'm just gonna play with some more side. Okay, I'm gonna tell you when it's done because you're really not supposed to put that much gang. But so I just came back from the market too. Does it really matter? But yeah. There's a little bit of clear right there. Okay, just keep stirring it. And then this is a little of it. But yeah, it's yucky. Yucky again. Not gonna touch it. This is where it goes to glue. But I'm gonna add some more of this glue because this is like bigger and wider, and I kind of need to like get that kind of like just out of there. Alright, stare. But you're still gonna see clear, so don't get that mad about it. It's starting to mix. See? But add a little bit more. You don't need that much. Just add a little bit more. Okay. Just gonna. Doesn't really work. Okay, that's enough. Because I'm not gonna have any more. Stare. I'm getting so tired staring. Okay, wait. Here we go. Stare. This is almost done. This is so icky. If you don't have these products, just look up how to make slime. But it's pretty easy. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take it off the bowl. Sorry if you can't see it. Let me make it right now. Yeah. This is it, guys. It's like sticky though. But it's gonna not be sticky. Okay. One more ingredient I did not show you guys. This is the last ingredient. So you're just gonna take a spoon. I'm just gonna. Okay. There, I put it in there. This makes it unsticky. Like if it's, whoa, it just flipped. Oh, okay. Alright. Well, yeah, you guys should use that. And I'm gonna count lotion. Hey guys. Who likes the slime? Woo. I'm giving the slime away as soon as it's unstickable. Really sticky. Alright. This is one of my favorites. But this is one of my best favorites. out of all. This is my third favorite because it's really sticky. It could have been first. Bye guys, thank you for watching. It's your girl Bella.